What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of Dev Talks with your host Travian, where we talk about everything engineering and technology wise. And in this video, we have an update from Figure. So last week, I did a video on them and I kind of trashed them, my fault, a little bit. And they came out with another video, and it's way more impressive than what they showed last week. I swear somebody out over there that works for them saw my video and was like, hey, watch this. And I'm wrong. I'm sorry. I was unfamiliar with your game. Without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we're going to dive right into this video. And I have this muted because audio reasons. I don't want to get copyrighted and stuff and deal with all of that kind of fun jazz. A lot of these companies use the copyrighted music and whatnot. But look how crazy this is, because this is literally going to be the future of manufacturing and everything else. Your jobs, our jobs, depending on what you do and whatever, this is what the future is going to look like. And the crazy thing is, if it's cheaper to, especially right now, like the US, they're trying to bring more manufacturing jobs back to the States and whatever. If you can have robots that don't need lunch breaks, they don't need to talk on their phone, they don't text, they just going to do what you tell them to do. They don't get sick. They do break down. Maybe they might need maintenance, but that's why you have a little bit extra to spare, probably in case they need to go charge and whatnot. And you do them in shifts like that. You can be running this 24/7. You don't need to pay them. You pay the company who provides them probably something. Imagine that's a play. Imagine if Figure themselves put robots on a subscription based model for companies. And if you want to rent out and have companies rent out their robotics, I need to be quiet because I'm too smart for my own good, and I will give these people free game on what to do and how to make money and whatnot. But this is literally insane. Seeing robots do this is insane. This is what the future is going to end up looking like. And that it's going to impact a lot of people who do this stuff nowadays. If you do something like this, I will be trying to learn a new skill ASAP and literally try to just get out of it. Being serious. If I did work like this, I'll try to get out of it as soon as possible, because they're already showing you what it's going to take your job. At Amazon, people already thought they was getting their jobs taken. They already needed less of them. Amazon getting rid of people. You're saying this could now be available for every single company? Hey, just go to Figure. They'll give you a robot, help you guys out. Or across the whole world. This is going to affect manufacturing around the whole world. The one plus is hopefully it makes products cheaper, but who will be there to pay for it? Who knows? I always seen a lot of space stuff growing up and things, and you always see how people work with AI and whatever. People have different jobs, yada yada yada, whatnot. But I'm really wondering how we're going to evolve as a society and what kind of positions and work that we're going to get into with a lot of this stuff changing. I'm really curious about that. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments down below. I really appreciate and want to hear what you guys have to say and what you think. And if you want, like I'm telling you, I just did a video on them last week. I'm gonna put it in the info card or something like that if I remember, and link it back to this video. They was not moving like this. They was moving slow to put up groceries. Now they doing assembly line stuff more efficiently. Like, come on now. And they'll probably get better at it as time goes on. That's the crazy thing. When it actually gets put into real life, they'll be crazy with it. Because they was just introduced the other week. Without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I really appreciate all of you guys who do all of that. It really means a lot to me. If you want to request any articles, YouTube videos, or TikToks for me to react to, send them to my email at devtalkspod@gmail.com. I'll be more than happy to cover all of it and see what's out there as long as it makes sense. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the video that pops up right about now. Without further ado, peace. See y'all next time.